Another technical configuration video here for you today. This time we're going to be showing you how to configure Wi-Fi roaming, also known as Hotspot 2.0 or Passpoint, on Grandstream using the GDMS networking portal to manage their equipment. So first thing that we're going to do is we have to configure two profiles under settings. So first one is going to be our radius config. So we'll jump into that first here. This is pretty quick. Name it Wi-Fi. We're going to give you a server, a port, a secret. Same for your accounting server. It's going to be an IP with a port and a secret. For your NAS ID, work with us to have that configured. That's going to be a unique identifier for you. A temp limit 5, radius retry timeout 30, accounting update interview 300. And there you go. We've already got the first set of our profiles configured. Now we're going to do the second set here. And that's for Hotspot 2.0. We're going to go ahead and show you how to configure that here. So for the name, choose Wi-Fi as well, domain ID 0, all F's for HESSID. Internet access should be checked here. Now this is going to be a private network with guest access. For IPv4 type, recommend single NAT. Do what's most accurate based on the drop down for your network. That's the most common. Same thing for IPv6. Select not available or available. And then for network auth type, acceptance of terms and conditions. For the venue, use business, then specified business, English, WayFi Wireless. For the venue URL, use https://wayfirewireless.com. For your operator name, it's also going to be English WayFi Wireless. We can give you an icon upload if you like. For your roaming consortium names, here they are here. Make sure that they are put in exactly in this order. That's very important. These allow you to have compatibility with a wide variety of 250 plus carriers worldwide. Next is going to be your domain names, and this also helps you get that compatibility with 250 plus carriers worldwide. You're going to see a lot of common names here. Next is going to be your realm. Go ahead and skip that, make that blank. Cellular networks. So these cellular networks also work with us to have this configured for you, but this is going to allow you to work with carriers, especially here in the US for traffic, so that they can advertise these networks over Wi-Fi, so phones see that and know, hey, that's my network, I want to connect. Port configuration, leave that blank. For advanced, you want to make sure WAN link statuses link up. Put the downlink speed and uplink speed that you think is appropriate for your location. Common, this is 1 gig or 2.5 gig. Fragmentation limit 1400, gas comeback delay of 0. And go ahead and disable downstream group address forwarding. Terms and conditions, keep that blank. Device of charge, keep that blank. Go ahead and save that config. Congratulations, all your profiles are done. Now we're going to go ahead and jump into the Wi-Fi section. We're going to get that SSID up and running. We're so close to getting this up and running. All right, next it's going to be the basic settings. So make sure you enable it. We're using a name like period WayFi Cellular Booster. You can of course customize this for your location or for your clients. Client IP assignment here is NAT. Disable captive portal. You can use all bands here, so 2.5, 5, and 6. Not a problem here with Grandstream. We recommend you disable MLO. It causes a lot of compatibility issues with devices because it's so new. Security type enterprise, WPA mode, WPA2. For WPA encryption type, use AES, require 802.11w. Enable Hotspot 2.0, go ahead and configure it with the profile for Wi-Fi that we just went over. Disable MAC-based radius. For radius authentication, also go ahead and select from the drop-down the Wi-Fi profile we just configured earlier. Next is going to be access control. We disable the MAC filter here. Client isolation is enabled, and we'll make sure that client isolation mode is for internet. Leave the rest of these set as none. Jump down OS filter, make sure that's disabled. For devices here, you can set what devices that you'd like to have this enabled on. And then make sure SSID hidden is disabled. UTM period of 1, wireless client limit of 50. This could be set up to 127. Client inactivity timeout of 300. Client bridge disabled. For multicast broadcast suppression, make sure to enable that with proxy ARP enabled. Convert IP multicast to unicast that is active. Enable 802.11k, enable 802.11v, enable ARP proxy, enable UAPSD, but keep target wake time disabled. And that's it. After that, congratulations. You've got now devices automatically authenticating from all over the world onto your Wi-Fi. And if you've elected to register this with Wi-Fi, now you've got paid traffic coming on to your network, and cellular carriers are paying for your coverage. So make it easy, make it simple, make it Wi-Fi. like to book an onboarding, go to WayFiWireless.com, click book an onboarding. We'd love to see you there, work with you. If you have any questions about this, feel free to set up a time for us to talk with you about configuring this on Grandstream or with any other OEM that you have in your network. With that, hope you have a good day. Thank you.